Day one, I felt awake. I felt alive. I felt powerful. It's really weird because, I tell people all the time, I don't know what's in Thrive, but for a lot of people, and definitely for me, it gave me hope that day. I just felt like I had another chance. And the day went on, and I just remember singing and dancing, and I remember going to the park, and instead of sitting on the bench, I was playing. I was going down the slide. I was throwing my kids up in the air. Oh my God, I felt like I was finally living again. Wonder Woman was back. And I've been Wonder Woman ever since that day. And so, yeah, that's my Thrive experience.